Hi, Miss Pantaleon. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi ma'am, good day. I'm Rachel Pavilion Pantaleon, 30 years old from Condal City. I am single.
Do you have kids?
No ma'am,
How many siblings do you have?
I have one brother and 6 sisters. I am a fifth child.
Okay, can you tell me about your educational background?
I am college graduate of 4 years, course BS Criminology.
Okay, do you have work experience abroad?
No ma'am, but I have an experience in Philippines, house helper. My duty is cleaning, cleaning, cooking, washing, ironing, go to the market and gardening and care of pets, dog and cat, and also I tutor 5 and 8 years old with homework. I worked last September 2018 to May 2021.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I am cheerful, honest, and loving daughter.
Okay, do you have any tattoo?
No ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to help my family financially and save my future.
Okay, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No ma'am.
Can you give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I talk them about them and calm voice.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you.